Petrol Fuel System Extreme Clean. Now, if you're noticing sluggish acceleration, poor fuel economy, or a rough idle in your car, then try Nulon Pro Strength Petrol Fuel System Extreme Clean. It is a powerful fuel system cleaner designed to boost performance and restore normal vehicle operation. It's developed with world-class additive technology. It targets and removes carbon buildup from fuel injectors, combustion chambers, inlet valves, and manifolds, all in one tank. That means stronger acceleration, better fuel efficiency, easier starts, and a smoother idle. It's so easy to use. Just add one bottle to a full tank of petrol, now ideally prior to filling so it mixes better. One bottle treats up to 60 litres, and we recommend you use every 10,000 kilometres or as needed as part of regular maintenance routine. It's safe for all petrol engines and compatible with catalytic converters and oxygen sensors. Try Nulon Pro Strength Petrol Fuel System Extreme Clean and feel the difference in one tank.